Imagine being able to describe a scene, and within seconds, watching it unfold like a cinematic sequence straight out of a blockbuster. A year ago, this would have sounded like pure science fiction. But today, with the release of Sora 2 Pro by OpenAI Higgsfield, that fiction is rapidly becoming reality. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing Gen AI video platforms in the world. And together, we're going to explore what this new tool is, what it can do, and why it might just change the way we create videos forever. For those who haven't heard of it yet, Higgsfield has quickly risen to the top of the Gen AI space. With tens of millions of monthly users and new features rolling out almost daily, the platform has become a hub for creators, storytellers, and brands who want to push the boundaries of video creation. At its core, Higgsfield makes high-quality AI-generated video accessible to anyone, whether you're a solo creator, a filmmaker, or just someone experimenting with new tools. Their latest release, Sora 2 Pro, is a major leap forward. By partnering with OpenAI, they've integrated some of the most advanced generative models available today into a platform designed for speed, cinematic quality, and ease of use. The concept behind Sora 2 Pro is simple but incredibly powerful. Instead of needing expensive equipment, complicated 3D software, or weeks of rendering, you just write a prompt. You describe the scene you want, set a few parameters, and let the system do the rest. Within moments, you can watch your idea materialize into a fully rendered video clip. This isn't just about creating animations or simple motion graphics. It's about producing sequences that look like they were shot with a professional camera, complete with complex movements, realistic lighting, and stylistic control that previously required entire production teams. Beyond just the prompts, what makes this platform shine is its control. Sora 2 Pro introduces precision camera tools, letting you specify how the camera should move, whether it's a smooth dolly shot, a dramatic zoom, or a complex aerial movement. It also focuses on scene consistency, meaning you can maintain characters, settings, and styles across multiple shots. This is essential for anyone creating longer videos or narratives, where visual continuity matters. And unlike traditional rendering pipelines, where complex scenes might take hours or even days to generate, Sora 2 Pro is built for speed. It's optimized to deliver high-quality results quickly, making it practical not just for experiments but for real production workflows. One of the most exciting aspects is the collaborative environment. Higgsfield allows creators to work together on projects, share scenes, and even remix each other's work. This community-driven approach mirrors the early days of platforms like YouTube or Figma Spaces, where creativity compounds through collaboration. It's not just a tool, it's an ecosystem that encourages growth, sharing, and iteration. As new features keep dropping, creators are discovering techniques, building mini cinematic universes, and even going viral with their AI-generated content. Now, I want to give you my honest take after spending time with it. On the positive side, the speed and quality are genuinely impressive. The camera work, lighting realism, and stylistic flexibility put it ahead of many other tools currently available. It feels like you're holding a miniature film studio in your browser. The possibilities for storytellers, indie filmmakers, and content creators are huge. Whether it's for concept visualization, short films, social media clips, or experimental art, this tool opens doors that previously required serious budgets. Of course, it's not perfect. Complex prompts can sometimes produce unexpected results, and getting exactly what you imagine might take a few iterations. If you're aiming for pixel-perfect control, you'll still need to experiment and refine your prompts. That said, the learning curve is surprisingly manageable. Within a few tries, you start to understand how the system interprets different types of descriptions, and once you get the hang of it, the results are consistently impressive. Looking at the bigger picture, tools like Sora 2 Pro point toward a future where the line between traditional filmmaking and AI-assisted creation blurs. Imagine indie creators producing film-quality sequences without needing massive crews. Imagine educators generating animated explainer videos instantly. Imagine designers quickly prototyping cinematic ideas for clients. It's not about replacing creativity, it's about accelerating it, giving people the power to focus on storytelling while the technical heavy lifting happens in the background. To really understand its potential, I decided to put Sora 2 Pro to the test. Signing up is really simple, and the fastest way to do it is by using your Google account. First, head over to the official Higgsfield website. On the homepage, you'll see a Sign Up or Get Started button. Click that. As soon as you confirm, the window will close automatically and you'll be redirected back to Higgsfield, and just like that, your new account is created. You'll be taken straight to your new dashboard or homepage, and from there you can start exploring features, creating content, or setting up your profile. It's fast, secure, and probably the easiest way to get started if you already use Google for most of your logins. This is the main generation dashboard, and it's designed to be really simple and beginner-friendly. At the top, there's a big headline that basically explains what this page is for. It's where you can create Sora 2 trends quickly without needing complicated tools or editing skills. Right below that, you'll notice a tab section for different platforms: TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and YouTube. Next, there's the text box. This is where you type in your idea or concept, whatever scene you want the AI to generate. For example, you can type something like a cartoon dog skateboarding through a candy-colored city surrounded by animated characters and pastel buildings. Once that's in, pressing enter or clicking generate will start the video creation process instantly.
Woo! Sunshine and smooth pavement, perfect combo.
Looking good, pup.
Thanks, watch this spin.
Nice air.
Tailwind manual and clean landing.
You make it look easy.
Just roll with the flow, buddy.
If you're curious to try Sora 2 Pro yourself, there's a link in the description. Higgsfield is sponsoring this video, but everything I've shown and said here comes from my actual experience with the platform. I encourage you to experiment to see what stories you can bring to life with just your words. And if you do, tag me in your creations. I'd love to see what the IdeaPlex community comes up with. The future of filmmaking may not be confined to expensive sets or advanced editing suites. It might live right here, in tools like Sora 2 Pro, where ideas flow directly into cinematic reality. This is just the beginning, and it's exciting to imagine where it will go next. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe for more explorations of cutting-edge creative technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.